Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First shop for you. Looking for the best digital multimeter in the markets. In this video, I listed top 5 digital multimeter of 2023. In this best digital multimeter review video, we will show you 5 top rated digital multimeter to buy in 2023. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best digital multimeter. We made this list based on our personal opinion based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, user feedback and other related issues. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. At number 5. UNI-T UT61E plus UT61B plus UT61D. Plus 1000V True RMS Digital Multimeter 1000 VAC, DC duty. Products images. Sold. Review. Rating. Percent off. Available in stock. Check the description link for full product information and price. At number 4. UNI-T UT61B UT61D UT61E plus multimeter analog digital electrical tester 22,000 counts amateur volt. Products images. Sold. Review. Rating. Percent off. Link on description. At number 3. UNI-T UT117C High Precision True Effective Value Professional Multimeter AC, DC Multi-Purpose Electrical Original Ohm Meter. UNI-T UT61E plus UT60. Products images. Sold. Review. Rating. Percent off. Link on description. At number 2. UNI-T UT61B UT61D UT61E plus multimeter analog digital electrical tester 22,000 counts amateur voltmeter. Products images. Sold. Review. Rating. Percent off. Link on description. At number 1. UNI-T UT196 Professional Digital Multimeter 1700V DC Voltage Tester True RMS Capacimeter Resistance Frequency Meter Solar Pro. Products images. Sold. Review. Rating. Percent off. Available in stock. Check description below for product link. Please click subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.